Hi, my name is Amy with Flower Moxie. I am here to talk to you about aisle flower mechanics and what your options are. I have been out of the game since 2020 and it's like totally different. Aisle markers are more popular than centerpieces at this point, and no one's more surprised than me. But when it comes to mechanics, there are a few options. I'm going to take us from the most eco-friendly, the most reusable, down to our dirty green foam cage. So you're going to need to use your imagination, and let's pretend this is like a square wooden board. This is just poster board or foam board that I had, but you would need wood board if we're gonna go the really eco-friendly method. And you can have someone at Lowe's just cut it into squares for you. But what you're gonna do, and I learned this from Leah, the owner of Ribbons and Blooms, she's a local florist in Oklahoma City, is you're gonna get a Pyrex dish. And you can get these at the dollar store, really anywhere. But it's just like this bread loaf Pyrex, and you put some chicken wire in it and some tape to tape it down. Then what you're gonna do is we're gonna pretend this is wood. You take some chicken wire and you kind of cage it in, and you come in with your staple gun and you would staple this chicken wire down to the wooden board. And what's so nice is that you can just pick it up, it doesn't tip over. The flowers have a really great water reservoir so they're not dying like in the heat, and you can make it early. If you're a florist, this is the direction you really want to go. What you do, and of course your board would be cut a bit smaller. I just was not prepared today. And what Leah taught me is she just like stuffs this out with Solal, what she calls her reliables, so things that can live out of water. And then of course everything else is in the Pyrex, in the water, and the flowers last so much better. And so it's easier to pick up. You can reuse it wedding after wedding, and again, you're staying away from that green foam. Okay, next. The most popular choice would be the clear Lomi Design Bowl, waterproof floral tape, and what I have here is Oasis Renew foam. So this is a plant-based eco foam. As an experienced florist, I have to say foam is very sturdy, very reliable. The negative is that it doesn't provide a ton of water resource. So why I do like the Lomi is I can pour water in this reservoir and it will keep the foam and the flowers hydrated. I would probably make these the day before if it wasn't extremely hot. Cool thing about the Pyrex is you can make it about 2 days before, because that Pyrex holds way more water. Lastly, we have the foam cage. So this is what I learned on as a florist. Standard green foam, it's in a cage, it won't break apart. Here's the bummer about the cage, is that when you build these aisle markers, they get like front loaded and they start tilting on you. So they're not extremely stable. So what some people do is they will zip tie a brick to the back of the cage, cover it in moss, and snuggle it up against the chair on the aisle. The hassle with that is it's a pain when you want to reuse it or repurpose it at the reception. So for that reason, kind of a Lomi is nicer. Sometimes you're still gonna have that tilting problem. And so you kind of come in with some rocks and you weight it down in the back. So kind of like what's happening here, it's built front loaded and one-sided. So that's why you get the tipping issue, especially if it's windy and it's outside. So you always kind of have to think of that. That is why beating the dead horse, going back to the Pyrex dish and that wooden square, that is extremely stable, and I haven't had to weigh those down. So these are your mechanic options, eco-friendly to, not so eco-friendly, but very reliable. And you can decide which one works best for you. Just remember to try to repurpose it at the reception, in front of your cake table, at the bar, with the catering. You can definitely use these again. So thank you so much, and we'll see you next time. And I'll show you how to build this.